In this video, I will show you how to get Duolingo streak back. So to get started, what you'll need to do first is to go ahead and open Duolingo on your device. So go ahead and look for the Duolingo app icon and then click on that to open the app. Now, once you're signed into Duolingo, head back into your homepage section. So click on this back icon at the top left of your screen. And then in here, what you'll need to do is to click on the streak icon. But before that, let's restore the streak that we have with my friend and click on this invite button to invite this friend to start a new streak. To be able to get your Duolingo streak back, go ahead and click on the streak icon at the top left of your screen at the right side of the flag icon. So click on that, and then in here, as you can see, I have the option to freeze my streak, but in case you find a repair streak option into this section, you can go ahead and click on that, confirm the repair, and boom, your streak is restored. And that's basically how you can get Duolingo streak back.